Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a review on some edge control. I was scrolling through the interwebs and I was actually on Sally's website and I was like, I wonder, what are like the top rated products, because usually if I'm shopping online, I sort things two ways. I want to know what's the highest rated and I want to know what's the cheapest. So I did that, and lo and behold, I found the highest rated but least expensive edge control gel. So I thought, what is this all about? Because as you guys know, I'm not really too big on edge control. If I want my edges to lay down, I'll either use gel, or I'm really a really big fan of the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. People think that's really odd that I use that on my edges, but I love it. It has really good holds. And yeah, so anyways, I was like, let me actually try out some edge control. I've tried out a few in the past year. When I say a few, I mean two others. And I wasn't like super blown away with them. And also I didn't try them on straight hair. So since my hair, it's not straight, but it's blown out. I got my little fluffy squirrel tail going on. So I wanted to try it on straight-ish hair, not my natural hair. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get on right into it. Well, first of all, if you hear something in the background, I don't know what this mic is picking up, but I'm running my bath water right now. So anyways, this is the Silk Elements MegaSilk Extra Strength Edge Gel with olive oil and shea butter, and it's 3.5 ounces, and I paid, how much did I pay for this? I want to say it was like around $5. I do know that. Here it is. Boom, boom, boom. It was, did my own drum roll. This was $5.29, and it was rated at 4.4 stars, which just so happens to be the highest that is on Sally's website, because I kind of like these trends where people are like, oh, I went to the highest rated salon in my city or the lowest rated. So I was like, I want to try the highest rated edge control, and this one, what it happened to be. I will say when I bought it, this was the highest, but now it's tied with the Carol's Daughter, their edge gel, but that one's more expensive anyway. But it is tied with that one now. But when I originally looked, I think that one's at like 4.3. It might be at 4.3 by the time this video goes up, but when I bought this was the highest one. Okay, so yeah, anyways, I went ahead and blew out my hair. I needed to cut a couple inches off. It had been a really long time since I had trimmed my hair, and if you guys don't know, I like to trim it more often. I'm usually like a every 6 weeks to 2 months type of girl as far as trimming my hair. So it was about that time. Actually, I was overdue, which is why I ended up cutting like a couple inches off of it. But yeah, so I tried this bad boy. I was super excited. I went ahead and slicked it down. I applied it like normal to my edges. I tied my scarf over. I woke up the next day. I took my Bantu knots out, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I did the method where my like heatless wand curls, or that little hack video I did. I will link it below and I'll put a pop-up here. Sure, you know what I'm talking about. But I did that, so when I took it down, it was all super cute. Edges was slick, and by about 10 a.m. edges was not slick no more. Like, she clocked out early. She clocked out early, and it says extra strength edge gel, or in my Atlanta accent, extra strength edge gel. So why did you clock out early, boo? You ain't even pull a half a day and you already clocked out. You know what, that's fine. I was like, let me go ahead and test it on camera so I can, at least show the people what I'm seeing, so they can tell me what I'm doing wrong, because this can't be rated at 4.4 stars and clock out after 2 hours. I feel attacked. So what I did was I applied the gel to both sides of my hair. One, I kind of pulled back more taut as if it was in a bun, and the other one I left it a little bit loose, because I wanted to see if there was a difference between wearing like a sleek style, because it does mention that on the package, versus a style where I just had like my edges slicked back but my hair was all out, and it's luscious Diana Ross, Shaka Khan, gorgeous big hair vibes. It was all of that. And yeah, I tried it out. Like I said, I did a little split test, and I was showing you guys, what was going on with the side of my hair that wasn't taut, and honest, like this is not a bad product. I can't say that. Like I have it in my hair now and you can see like my edges are pretty straight. But to be fair, if I were to put pretty much anything in my hair, my edges would look like this. Other than like just a plain oil. But like if I put a cream in my hair, it's gonna look like that. A butter in my hair, it's gonna look like that. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm the best person to try edge control because I don't really use it that often. And maybe I used it incorrectly. I smoothed it with my fingers. I felt like, and that was another thing on the package, as far as the application, it says smooth it with your fingers. I didn't really like how that looked because it just looked like my hair was like stuck. So I ended up actually going it with my toothbrush and like brushing it in later. But one of the points that the package boasts is it says that it's non-greasy, it's a wax, it's non-flaking, and it's non-sticky. And my hair is pretty sticky right up in here. I mean, that's not like the biggest problem in the world. Like it doesn't bother me necessarily, but it says non-sticky and she's sticky. So yeah, I don't know. I kind of just wanted to try it out. I really had high hopes for it. I'm underwhelmed, but that doesn't mean it's a bad product. I just kind of expected magic because I was thinking like, okay, if I go to the gym or if I sweat a lot when my hair is flat iron, if I just put this on here, like this gonna hold me down. And she was not a ride or die. She didn't hold me down. Like she didn't hold me down. She wasn't a ride or die. She was a ride until she put in them 2 hours and then she clocked out early. Dash, dude, every time I'm filming, this child. So yeah, anyways, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is there something I did wrong as far as the application? I did the whole like lay down, you know, my edges with the scarf. I slept in it overnight. I don't know. I wasn't like, it's cute. I feel like this would actually be amazing when my hair is curly and I want to slick my edges back. But to be fair, my edges really do lay down even more when my hair is curly because I already have like product in it or gel or something like that. But if my edges start to get a little aggressive on me when my hair is naturally curly, I feel like this would be the move. Ooh, and a sleek bun too. Ooh, I actually can't wait to use this for that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, and I'm really curious to see what do you guys think is the best hands down edge control, price not, you know, included. I've heard a lot of people say Hicks is, you know, the real deal, and I've actually used it before, but it was so long ago and it wasn't mine, it was my mom's. I feel like a recurring theme in quite a few of my videos are, you know, just me stealing products from my mom, is me stealing. Girl, didn't even use the right, whatever. That's a recurring theme in my video show or in my videos. I'm getting sleepy and my bath water is almost done, so it's time for me to get off camera. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll put the link below. But yeah, I think that is it. I hope this was helpful. I hope I didn't miss anything. My little poofy ponytail, it rained today, so it got so poofy, but it's so cute. It's so cute. I look like a little squirrel. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. I feel like my glasses are reflecting the ring light, but you all gonna get this ring light today. Y'all gonna get this DIY ring light reflection, okay? Okay. I mean, I don't normally film with glasses on, but to be fair, Charles Finster has glasses on, so I think I'm in good company. Oh my god, go to sleep. What are you even talking about, girl? What? So, what are you eating? Something? What are you eating? Drop it. Drop it. Out. Spit it out. What is that? I have no words. Wait, this whole time I've been filming, do I have something on my face?